fucking move!
June 19th, 2024, just outside Bisbee, Arizona, U.S. Border Patrol agents were involved in a use-of-force incident during a routine border enforcement operation. The agents were responding to suspected illegal activity near the U.S.-Mexico border when the situation escalated, requiring physical force. Every second of the encounter was captured on body-worn cameras, offering an unfiltered look at how agents handle real-world threats on the ground.
These videos contain graphic content. Viewer discretion is advised.
Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Put your hands where I can see them! Keep your hands where I can see them!
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Right. Hey.
Put your hands up!
Y'all get him out.
I'll start it from here.
Let me see your fucking hands!
Show me your fucking hands now!
We'll go over with the horse so we can help with that.
I got it.
Stay on.
The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
Alright, we got you.
Fucking move!
Hey, he was shooting at me on the way here. Watch his hands.
Watch it, watch it.
Just open the door and throw him out.
Can we get him out this side? Put your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Let me see your hands! I got you. I got you.
The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
Coming out the back.
Right here, right here. Back up. Get out.
The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
Hands on, hands on. Coming out the back.
Right here, right here. Have a gun anywhere? Not on me. Not on me. Not on me. It's in me somewhere. Hey, look at me. Oh, my arm. Hey, my arm, watch out. Help, help, man. Help him up, help him up. Help him up. Help him up. BMS. BMS. Hey, you got a vest? If you got it, you want to go get out of here. Don't move. Don't move. I'm going to turn it on your arm. Don't move, man. Okay? Don't move. Don't move. We're running in. Don't move. Hey, let's cut this because it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt, Moses. I can't see. can't see. We're helping you, bro. So tourniquet applied. You need that one on the leg, too. Where's another one?
Okay.
Don't move, bro. Don't move.
Help me.
We're helping you.
Breathe.
Get that?
Can't breathe. Ow, ow. My leg. My leg.
Second tourniquet.
Here
you go.
Help me.
We got one right here.
Help me.
Does anyone have any cloths, anything like that?
Oh, yeah. I got a med bag.
Help me. Help me, please.
We're trying to, bro. Just don't move. Keep your legs straight.
Help.
Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight.
Help.
I got one on the hole. I got one on the hole. We need some cloths. Back.
Help. Help. Help me. Please. Help. Help.
Under my thumb. It's right under my thumb.
Can you dump some water on me, please?
Stop moving, dude. Stop moving. Ready? Don't move. Ready?
Help. Help.
Fuck. Is the tourniquet doing its job? Let's see. Let's see. Just leave it.
Take some water.
Stop moving.
You
have another cloth?
Stand by. Chest wound.
You got chest wound?
Okay.
Help me. Help. I can't breathe.
We got one on
I can't breathe.
I get that.
I can't breathe.
Get outside. Get outside.
Dump some water on my face. Dump some water on my face.
You guys on the shot? Okay.
I got two in the chest. Yep.
Help me. I need water.
Hey, water.
I'm moving. You're good, man. Keep breathing for me.
I can't. I need water.
Here's another one.
I got another chest seal if you need it. 146.
You want it from the back?
Line second.
You know? Oh. You check the back yet?
I can't wear it that way. Back.
Front, two, click. We got an exit one. We got one exit.
Oh.
Here's another chest.
Help me. Can I get some water, please? Please. A little bit of water, bro. I can't breathe. I'm dying, bro. Help.
At approximately 7:55 p.m., Bisbee Fire Department EMS arrived on scene, provided additional medical care, and transported the subject to the Bisbee Fire Department station. There, they met air evac services, and the subject was flown to a medical facility for advanced trauma care. The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
What have you got?
You got two in the chest, two in the leg. Look at his wrist over there. We need to get him going.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's get him going.
The helo is going to meet you guys at station helo pad.
His absent breath sounds on there.
Water.
So
He's got at the station.
They're
They
gonna
just advised that they're landing a helo out here
Really?
per border patrol.
I need to take myself.
Station. Yeah.
Well, somebody
So-
needs to clarify.
Can I get some water, please?
Grab the gurney. Let's load and go.
We're not hitting veins. So
All right, yeah, we're probably gonna have to drill him, so it's
Okay.
it is what it is.
Perfect.
We're just gonna try and get the gurney over here, get him on as quick as we can, and we'll start working on the way to the station. Does anybody have anything else, gauze or something, just to kind of splint up this wrist right quick, and we'll.
Oh yeah, absolutely. There should be a person.
I mean, if you want to squint, I got it.
It's just something hard to keep it from getting any worse if we can here.
We're working on it, man.
Water.
Here you go.
Please. Please, let me get some water, bro. No. Fuck.
Doesn't have to be pretty.
Nope. I'm not negative.
No.
Do we have times on tournikets?
We called it out loud. It should be with our dispatch.
Yeah, it's noted on our call, but I don't know what time. Do you have a backboard here?
Yep, let's get it.
So he's got two to the chest, one to the
light is this?
wrist, tourniquet on leg and arm.
Okay.
He's got pressure dressings, no IVs. We're gonna have to drill him most likely.
Okay.
Because of the trauma. He's bleeding
anything.
out because he keeps complaining of thirst. So we need.
1944
with the
tourniquet.
We're trying to just secure this wrist right quick because it's hanging on by skin.
Okay.
I don't want him to open another arterial.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 1944 was a tourniquet.
Okay, both of them.
Yeah, but about the same
All
time.
right. 19. Can you write that down somewhere?
1944.
1944.
Go ahead. Do you think? I'll get it. 1944.
And you confirmed heli-padded station, right? Yeah, heli-padded station. Somebody's going to keep the gate open for you guys. Yeah.
Please, water, bro.
South entrance.
Please.
No water.
Why? He said I love it. I really need some.
1944.
But I can't.
You need to shove it in.
I can't even get a full breath, bro. Ow.
Relax.
Ow.
You have another roll of tape?
Ow.
I got it right here.
Ow. Ow.
We probably need to start setting up everything we can for an intubation as soon as the flight crew gets here as well.
Okay. Ow. The water, please.
Okay, roll.
Anything out the barrel.
One on the back, and maybe
down here.
Okay.
Maybe an exit window.
Guys, and I believe the bed.
I need water, please. Before we get in the car, please. Please. Water.
We gotta clip it down.
Put your leg down. Put your leg down. There you go.
Where you went to that, ma'am?
There's little cars. And then go ahead and take. Oh, sorry.
I don't know how to do this.
That's okay.
Should be underneath.
Right here.
You got hit right here.
Okay, just tighten that up for me.
There you go.
Ow.
Alright.
Virginia, please. Water.
Okay. And then, okay. If you guys want to carry him, I'll get the ambulance set up.
Let's go. Where's the tight on this
Right there on the right hand side. Right hand side. There you go.
Sorry, dude.
You good.
Yep.
Alright. I got arms whenever you guys are ready.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
On you guys.
What do you want to do? We're gonna
Yep.
Hey. I'm falling off.
You're good. You're not falling off.
Gotcha.
Help.
You're not falling off, dude. We got you.
One front.
Watch your feet.
Big tree.
I got him.
Help.
Wire on the ground.
We're at.
Right here.